Well, maybe tomorrow night I might go live with it, with my screencast. See, it's gone again. What is there? It went behind it. It seems like it's still there, but it's dark. Whatever is lighting it up is, and that one's still there, actually. That one's still there and moving. But the dark one down here, the orange one, I think I can just barely make it out. Get some more in picture. So I didn't know this camera went all the way to the left. So look at it, it's coming back. Right there, it looks like there's something in front of it, like it's going around another object. But that object is right there. Freaky. Let's come back. Should have stayed on last night. Anyways, I'm going to go to the TV. I got it hooked up to the laptop. You can still see it there. Just the TV's a little darker. Alright, back to the laptop. My lighted keys. Oh, it's still there. Actually, it's as we come back, that thing is coming back. As the camera's rotating as we come to the right, the objects are coming to the right. This might be a camera webcam anomaly. Why would we have two? One orange, one red. That's like a flare. So see, it goes behind it, so I can't figure it out. Didn't look like it was in front. I'd like to know somebody in those. Well, it's back to purple White House and the golden wreath and the crest. You can't see it here. That's the brightness. You can see it back up. Probably see it here in the TV. There's those objects.
We're out.